And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, see my hand? I can't get my face in there, but trust me, it's me. This is Poppy's Workshop. See that little itty bitty point? You see this flat here? I'm calling that centered on that flat. This is my shear line radius turning attachment. This is tungsten carbide. Pointy even. Come on, you. Come on. There we go. What are you doing, Poppy? I believe it's called drag engraving. Nope. Yes, sort of. Okay. Here, let's put you up here, get the light out your face. See, I was hoping that these two scribe lines, I'd be able to catch the very smallest or most that direction pivot point for this tool. As in this pivot point position, it's 0 to however big your sack is to want to swing the tool with it. And you see we've got every quarter of an inch another place you can pivot it from. Okay, get this out of the way. Okay, now I'm sitting on it. Good. That means I don't have to go in the house to get it. Okay. Now, like I said, I was hoping that these two scribe lines I could catch this, but I cannot. Okay, these. I'm going to call these fulcrums. They serve the function of fulcrum, don't they? Right? Give me a lever long enough and a place to rest it. I'll move the world. We're talking about the fulcrum of a lever. See you there. You there. You won't get lost. And you can go aside now. There we go. See you there. Now. Pain. Arthritis in my hips is killing me. Vice. That's good. And what do you? Oh, that's that bit. Okay. Yeah, now. Just zoom out now. Make it. Yeah, I'm gonna put the vise here. Be there, vise. Oh, that don't work, does it? Too bad. I actually have to affix it to the table. Here we are. 1, 2. Where'd they go? Where did they go? Okay. I'm going to stop for right now till I can find the hold downs for my vise.